Hey space enthusiasts, buckle up for an incredible journey through our solar system. Guided by none other than the Hubble Space Telescope. For over 34 years, this iconic telescope has been our window to the cosmos, capturing jaw-dropping moments that have reshaped how we see our planetary neighborhood. You might think Hubble's all about distant galaxies, but it's been sneaking in some mind-blowing observations right here at home. From Venus's atmosphere to Jupiter's epic collisions, let's dive into Hubble's unsung role in exploring our solar system. Ready? Let's blast off. First stop, our closest neighbor, the Moon. Now, you might be wondering, why would a telescope built for deep space bother with the Moon? Well, it's not about snapping selfies of lunar craters. Hubble's too powerful to capture the Moon's entire surface in one go. That's a job for missions like NASA's Lunar Reconnaissance Orbiter. But in 2012, Hubble pulled off something genius during a rare event, Venus crossing in front of the Sun called a transit. Scientists used the Moon like a giant cosmic mirror, bouncing sunlight off it to study Venus's atmosphere. By analyzing tiny changes in that light, they uncovered clues about the chemicals swirling in Venus's thick toxic clouds. This wasn't just a cool trick. It's a technique Hubble uses to study far-off exoplanets, proving it can work closer to home, too. How's that for thinking outside the box? Let's zoom out to Mars, the red planet. Hubble's got a knack for capturing Mars in ways no orbiting spacecraft can. While rovers and orbiters zoom in on specific spots, Hubble gives us the big picture. Literally, it snapped stunning images of the entire planet, revealing wild weather patterns like massive dust storms that can swallow Mars whole. One of Hubble's coolest moments was a time-lapse of a global dust storm hiding the planet's surface under a rusty haze. These images aren't just pretty, they help scientists predict Martian weather, plan rover missions, and understand how the planet changes over time. Oh, and did you know Hubble caught Mars moon Phobos zipping around the planet in just 22 minutes? Phobos orbits Mars in only 7.5 hours, faster than the planet's own day. That's a moon in a hurry. And Hubble's sharp eye caught it in action. Now, let's venture into the asteroid belt. That chaotic ring of rocks between Mars and Jupiter. This place is like a cosmic junkyard with 1 to 2 million asteroids bigger than a kilometer and countless smaller ones. Hubble's revealed some wild stuff here. Take asteroid 6478G spotted in 2019. At first glance, it looked like a comet with twin tails streaming behind it. But here's the twist, it's not a comet. G is spinning so fast, once every 2 hours, that it's flinging off material into space. This is thanks to something called the Yarkovsky effect, where sunlight pushes on the asteroid, speeding up its spin until it starts breaking apart. Scientists think G might completely disintegrate one day. Then there's PISA 2010A2, another asteroid that tricked us into thinking it was a comet. Hubble's images showed an X-shaped debris cloud. Turns out it was the aftermath of 2 asteroids smashing into each other. Some debris got pulled back by gravity while other bits escaped into space. These glimpses into the asteroid belt show it's not just a static pile of rocks, it's a dynamic, ever-changing region. Next up, Jupiter, the solar system's heavyweight champ with nearly 34% of all the mass in our solar system outside the Sun. Jupiter's gravity is a force to be reckoned with. In 1994, Hubble gave us front-row seats to a historic event, the collision of comet Shoemaker-Levy 9 with Jupiter. This comet got too close, and Jupiter's gravity tore it into pieces. When those fragments slammed into the planet at 60 kilometers per second, they unleashed fireballs hotter than 23,000 Kelvin, soaring 3,000 kilometers above Jupiter's clouds. The biggest impact left a scar the size of Earth and released energy equal to 6 million megatons of TNT, 600 times the power of all the world's nuclear weapons combined. This was the first time we'd ever seen a collision in space. And it proved Jupiter acts like a cosmic shield, protecting inner planets like Earth from rogue comets. But Jupiter is not just about brute force. Hubble's also captured its stunning auroras, which glow hundreds of times brighter than Earth's. Unlike our auroras, driven by solar wind, Jupiter's are powered by its intense radiation belts and magnetic fields, creating a light show that never stops. Speaking of Jupiter, let's talk about its moon, Europa, a world that might just hold the key to finding alien life. Europa's icy surface hides a massive ocean of liquid water beneath, kept warm by tidal forces from Jupiter's gravity. Hubble's been a game-changer here, spotting water vapor plumes shooting out from Europa's surface. These plumes suggest that ocean is active, maybe even connected to the surface. Hubble also found sodium chloride, table salt, on Europa, hinting that its ocean might be chemically similar to Earth's. While missions like Galileo and Voyager gave us close-ups, Hubble's ability to see in ultraviolet light revealed details they couldn't. These discoveries make Europa a top target for future missions searching for life beyond Earth. Moving on to Saturn. Hubble's been our go-to since the Cassini mission ended in 2017. It's tracked massive storms stretching thousands of kilometers across Saturn's atmosphere, helping us understand its wild weather. Further out, Uranus and Neptune are tough to study since Voyager 2's flybys in the 1980s. But Hubble stepped up, capturing seasonal changes in Uranus's atmosphere and even discovering Neptune's tiniest moon, Hippocamp. Without Hubble, that little moon might still be hiding. These observations are helping us piece together how our solar system formed and how these distant giants evolve over time. So, what's the big picture? Hubble's done way more than anyone expected when it launched in 1990. It wasn't built to study our solar system, but its sharp eye and clever techniques have uncovered hidden gems, from asteroid collisions to Europa's plumes. It's filled gaps left by other missions, giving us a richer view of our cosmic backyard. And here's the exciting part. With proper care, Hubble could keep going until 2040, maybe even outlasting the James Webb Space Telescope, which isn't designed for solar system work. Every image, every discovery reminds us that our universe is full of surprises, and Hubble's still got plenty to share. So, what's your favorite Hubble discovery? The epic Jupiter crash? Europa's salty ocean? Let us know in the comments. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more space adventures.